Briefly introduce yourself.
Yes, hello. My name is Eleanor Elbosimi. I'm 42 years old. I'm married with three kids. They are 20, 14, and 11. And I'm a teacher in the Philippines for 11 years. And also I teach English for for second language. It's like 5-1 Talk, if you heard about it. 5-1 Talk. Yes, it's an ESL class,
Oh,
online English class. Yes,
oh, I know, I
5-1 Talk.
know. Okay, so what is your
Yes.
educational level?
Yes, I graduated as a teacher. I'm a licensed teacher. I graduated bachelor in elementary education and a licensed teacher for almost, I think, 20 years now. And
Okay.
I work as a helper here in Hong Kong. I cook Western, Thai, sometimes Indian, and simple Chinese food. But if the employer would like me to cook like some hard or like a complicated menu, a Chinese menu, I can learn about it. And I do car washing, tutoring. I can take care of the pets, and I usually take care of the marketing and everything, almost everything at home.
Okay, I know
And
you have two
I'm really
employers.
a happy person. I'm really a happy person. I always smile. Even I think that's the I think I the other people take it negatively because when the popo said she's scolding me, I just said yes, and then I smiled to her, and then she's telling me, why are you smiling? I think she's misunderstanding it.
Oh, I see.
That's why I think,
I see. You have two
and I love
employer
hiking
in Hong
too.
Kong.
Yes, I had to employ the first one. She prefer having Indonesian helpers because she can speak English. I think the level of Cantonese speaking in the Indonesians are good than us. That's why she prefer Indonesians. Yes, I
You
take
long,
care. Like I've been with them. Yes, yun long. I've
you
been
long.
there for yes for 7 months. Yes,
How
and
many
they
coworker?
decided
How many coworker you have?
two two
Two Indonesian.
Indonesians.
Oh, so they get used to speak Cantonese or Mandarin because Indonesians they speak.
Yeah, yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay. How many kids they have?
That's why they have two kids. Like the kid I'm taking care of because I do the tutoring. She's 4, and then a boy that has an Indonesian nanny. So I take care of the laundry, the garden, the sewing of the bin, the garbage bin, the car washing, taking care of the two pets, the cats, two cats and the two dogs. But
Okay.
in this new family, I take care of the tutoring, the cooking, the washing of the car, taking care of the kids when they go to school. That's what I do in the new house.
Okay. In the new house, you also get another coworker. Is a Filipino or Indonesian?
Yes, yes, it's a Filipino.
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 Okay. I saw the reference letter. Also, your man employer give you reference letter, and he appreciate your work. But the only one problem is Popo with you, right? What happened?
Yes, mom. With Popo, we will get. She knows me like yeah, like for the first month,
Mm-hmm.
she liked to talk to me, and then when it's summer, because Madam don't let her go in the like the lunchtime. I cook for lunch for the kids. I do like because the kids don't want to eat
Mm-hmm.
vegetables. What I do is I blend the when I after I saute the meat, the vegetable, I blend it so that they will not see what kind of vegetable it is. And then that's the time because my food, the food that I'm cooking, the kids love it. They say, I love your cooking, Eleanor. I love it. It's so yummy. And then that's the time when she got jealous. And then my princess, I miss her so much. The baby, she's turning to this January. When she cuddles the baby, she always cries. She doesn't want her popo.
I
That's why
see.
just thinking that I'm doing a lot. I'm I'm making like
Mm.
why is it that why is it that that my granddaughter don't like me. So I said I don't know, Popo. I'm letting her play
Mm.
with you.
How
I
old are
don't
they?
know.
How old are the kids? The second job, one child one.
The second kid is 5 years old, and the first kid is 5. She's in K2, and the the one I'm taking care, she's turning 2 this year. She's in nursery. We have a lot of schedules. We have classes in the morning, three
Mm.
three centers in the morning, and then in the afternoon we have a 3 hour class in a nursery school in South
Oh,
Horizon. So before we go to each of her classes, I need to take care of the cooking, prepare everything, her food before going to school, and then like be with her all throughout the classes she's having, and then
I
very
see.
hectic.
I see.
That's why that's why
So in total,
I
how many
didn't feel that
years in Hong Kong?
me.
Yes.
I'm I'm actually 1 year and 4 months in Hong Kong.
Okay, so 1 year
Yes,
and 4 months. First employer in Yuen Long, 7 months,
seven
and
months.
second one is
Yes,
how many months?
9 months.
9 months. Okay.
I arrived here again. Yes, I re-enter Hong Kong like it's April, and then sadly ended my journey with their family yesterday.
When is your last day? You have 14 day here.
Yes, I bought a ticket yesterday because I feel I talked with Madam before we like uh, my first month that I'm really attached with the family.
Mm-hmm.
I get to attach with the family, and then I said to myself that you will be my last employee if it will not really work. But
Okay.
I'm giving myself a chance now, and then no, I will not try.
It's okay.
I'm
It's
giving
okay.
myself a chance now,
So
and
when you need to
I think
fly to Philippines, when you need to fly back, when is your flight date?
I yes, flight date January 12th.
January 12th. Okay.
Night, yes, night of January 12th.
Okay, and I see you can do like tutoring. You can take care of the kid, and can you share room with the
Yes,
kid as well? Can Are you willing to share room with the kid?
yes, of course, because in the old house we sleep together with the two kids.
Oh,
Yes, we're
mm,
shifting
one child or you long one?
in Wan Chai and also in Yuen Long.
Oh, okay, I see. Okay, very nice. Do you know how to go marketing by yourself?
Yes, really, and I want to check like if the vegetable is fresh and nice. Yes,
Um,
I have learned about it for the last 9 months, and I know how to budget really nice. And
Okay.
then my madam said, "You buy kiwi for me? I haven't tried it before because she always eats fruit in the morning. So I make it like sure that she can get vitamin C, and then she can have dragon fruit, not just only apple.
Yeah, thank
So it's
you.
their variation in my menu.
Okay, understand. I think you're a fast learner also. And you take care of two cat and two dog. Are they healthy? The dog is healthy, the cat is healthy as well.
Yes,
Mm.
very healthy because with the cats you need to make sure that you brush their hair every day, every night.
Mm.
And then with the dogs, you need to wash them weekly because my dogs in Yunlong are living outdoor. And then I really need to feed them like I steam the chicken breast and then put them some rice together and with like the dog food so that it should be healthy. Like sometimes I cut some vegetable for them. Yes, I miss my dogs there too. Sometimes I go there and visit my old dogs because my old employer and I are okay.
Okay, I
We're
see.
really okay.
Very well. And last questions I want to ask because you've been the teacher in Philippines, you also work in 51 Talk. Do you know how to teach like grammar or phonics? Do you know how to teach phonics?
Yes, of course. Usually, when you teach phonics, you need to make or let the kid listen to the sound, and then
Mm.
after there's the flow. Like after letting the kid hear the sound, you need to do it on your own, and then the third you need to do it together.
Mm.
Yes, that's how I teach phonics.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. I hope I can get you a new one. Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
thank you so much,
Thank you.
madam.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.